Welcome to Automated World, where we explore how technology is changing our lives. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful AI tools you should be using in 2025 to save time, boost productivity, and stay ahead of the game. Let's go. 1. ChatGPT. Number 1 is ChatGPT, your 24/7 smart assistant. Whether you're writing emails, solving code, creating YouTube scripts, or just asking questions, ChatGPT can help you work faster and think better. It's like having a genius partner on standby. 2. Notion AI. Next. Notion AI, the ultimate workspace tool for students, teams, and content creators. It writes, organizes, summarizes, and even creates to-do lists with AI. Forget boring planning. This is smart, automated productivity. 3. Pictory or Runwaymail. Coming in at number 3, Pictory and Runwaymail. Want to create YouTube videos or reels in minutes? These AI tools can turn your text into full videos or remove backgrounds, add subtitles, and edit clips without any skills. Perfect for creators. 4. Grammarly. Go fourth is Grammarly Go, way more than a grammar checker. It rewrites, shortens, expands, or changes tone in your writing using AI. Whether it's emails, social posts, or schoolwork, you'll sound sharp and professional. 5. Tome AI. And finally, Tome AI, a game changer for presentations. Just give it a topic, and it builds slides with text, images, and structure, all in seconds. No more boring PowerPoint work. Let AI design for you. So there you go. The top 5 AI tools of 2025 that can level up your work, study, or content creation. Which one do you want to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more smart tech from Automated World. See you in the next video.